Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. And today we are doing our breast cancer awareness tag for October. We have got a delicious textured nail polish on our flexi hand today, Harley Marie. It is called Sugar Crushin' by Sinful Colors. It was a limited time polish. It was number 1721. I love this color. Takes a couple coats to top coat to smooth it out, but this is definitely textured. So we are going to hop right in, put another layer on. And I'm going to do the ring finger first so that this is dry when I want to apply my ribbon. Thumb has already been coated, so we're not going to put another coat on that finger. And we'll just continue down the hand. I think this is a beautiful polish. And October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so save the tatas, ladies. Make sure you do your self-exam. Get to the doctors. Get your mammogram done. No forgetting. If I got any fellas out there watching, remind the girlfriends, the sisters, the mothers, the wives, the aunts, any female that is in your life, remind her to get her breast cancer, or get her mammogram done this month. A lot of places around you can get them done for free. So check that out. Remind the ladies. For my ribbon, I'm going to be using this pretty color. I know they don't really go together. I'm hoping that they will once they're on. This one doesn't have a name. It came from Sally's, and it's called Sally Girl. It's like a neon pink. So we're just going to be dabbing some out, hopefully. It's such a little bottle. So I have got my really super fine brush. Hope you can see that. And I'm going to fill my brush up halfway up the neck and make my ribbon. Whoops. Totally messed my ribbon up. Not enough paint. Oops. Or get a little bit of thickness on the brush, take your brush, wipe it off. There we go. Gotta finish this side of the ribbon. Whoops. That is not turning out how I want it. Not at all, but you can see what I'm trying to do here. This is my breast cancer ribbon. I'm going to pause this and see if I can get any bling out. Okay, we are back. I've got one little heart that I'm going to put on the thumb. For our breast cancer awareness. And I have to do it with a quickness because this is a fast drying top coat. There we go. So that's beautiful. I gotta figure out what to do on the rest of these nails. I don't know what to do. Get some itty bitties down the center. Itty bitties, itty bitties. I'm going to take this and go around. Yeah, that one don't want to move, but I think that's really cute. We got our breast cancer nail done here. I'm going to top coat that. There you go. Let the polish do the work, not you. Just need a real good bead on that nail. I want to do one more nail, but I don't know of what. I don't know. Not too organized, am I? I mean, I got all my bling here. I just don't know what of it I want to use. I don't know. Let me turn this around like if it was my hand and take a look. I think the mani is beautiful. I love the color of the polish. And with the such feet, you do have to work quickly. Whoops. Oh, shoot. There we go. We got it. You do have to, like I said, work quickly with such feet. The fast drying top coat is my favorite. It is my favorite. It's a nice thick fast drying top coat. These are just circle gems that I'm putting on. Just circles. Trying to hurry and put them on because, like I said, it will dry on me. One more nail to go, and we are finito. If that's the correct pronunciation. Finished. I'm gonna let that one soak in for a little bit because you do need to coat some top coat. I understand with the gems, you're not going to be doing two coats, so to speak. I am going to put another one over this ribbon. Just to secure it, so to speak. And like I said, this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This is my Breast Cancer Awareness manicure for Mrs Cronall. She was diagnosed last December and has been going strong ever since. Getting her treatments, going to the doctors, spreading good cheer to everybody. She's got a lot of people praying for her. And we will continue to pray until we hear there is, whoops, no more cancer. There we go. We're only going to put 2 on there. Our manicure is finished. Whoops. Whoopsie. There we go, as I put everything away. This is our breast cancer awareness menu for October. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble, but I hope you like it. If you are doing one, tag me in it so I may see on Instagram. Just hashtag me, nailed67. I'd be honored to see what you have done. I think these are beautiful though. Did do 3 here and only 2 here. 3 on here too. Oh well. You all get the gist of what I'm trying to do. This brings us to this conclusion of our mani. Hope you've enjoyed. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notified of all future videos that I produce. I do 3 a week. This past week has been a crapshoot because Monday is my docuseries for acrylics learning acrylics for me. And this week didn't go as planned with receiving my mail that I was going to use. I got it now. So I'll save that for next Monday coming up. So we did a review that I put up yesterday. This will go up sometime this week, so all of you can enjoy. Thank you for your support. I greatly appreciate it. Like I've said, subscribe, click the bell, leave me a comment down below so I know that you were here. And have a blessed day. Thank you.